Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Tax Associates Tax Tips, actually the first edition of 2021. So the first item that we want to touch upon is the way we are going to operate appointments here at Tax Associates. We are still open for in-person appointments. Actually, we never close down, but this year we are giving you the option of virtual appointments. So at your option, you can upload your documents to our portal. You can fax in your documents. You can drop them off at the front and then schedule an appointment, a virtual appointment, to go over any questions and finalize your return. So that is something that we do encourage those of you who either because of distance, now in the winter because of weather, or simply because of COVID-19, you might want to exercise that option. Anyway, but we are still open for in-person appointments, just as we've always been in the past. The other item that we want to mention is the filing season this year. So far, there's been no mention of extensions like last year. Last year, if you remember, the season went through June 15th in the summer. This year, the season officially begins on February 12th, and no mention of extending the date yet. However, for those of you who have all your documents ready before the 12th, we do encourage you to schedule an appointment, again, in person or virtually, your choice, and get your return done before the February opening up of the season, e-filing season. We do expect February, March, and obviously April to be quite hectic. So again, if you have your documents ready, we do encourage you to schedule an appointment and get your return done sooner rather than later. A couple of other items worth mentioning. Because of the shutdown by the IRS last year, paper returns are taking quite a bit to process. There's, I think, still a million or so returns out there from the last we heard that need to be processed. So they're working on those. However, they're taking months right now. For those of you who had to send in corrected returns, amended returns, those are low priority right now. They're taking forever to process. In many cases, those returns are sitting on desks and just not being processed right now. So have patience. They will get to those eventually. For those of you who have not received the second economic stimulus payment, the $600 per person, I think, and $1,200 per couple, those were supposed to be sent out by January 15th. If not, then the procedure is you will claim those or that stimulus payment on this year's tax return. So if you haven't gotten it, there's no need to call IRS. There's no need to call anybody. You will claim that stimulus payment on this year's tax return. For those of you who did not receive last year's stimulus payment, same thing. You can claim that payment on this year's tax return, along with the second stimulus payment that was just approved about a month ago, maybe a few weeks ago, by Congress. Anyway, so these are just a few of the items we're going to have to deal with this year. It's going to be a hectic, intense season. We hope to see you guys, soon. Any questions? Give us a call at 847-566-3010. Go to our website at tax-associates for any updated information and to schedule an appointment, virtual appointment, if that's the route you choose to go. Thank you.